I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. In today's video, I'm gonna get my house all straightened up. I had another busy day at work, so whenever I got home, my house needed some tidying, so I decided to quickly get that done. I have a few projects that I'm in the middle of doing, and you'll notice there's like a china cabinet that's taken apart in my kitchen. I'm gonna have that video coming up soon. I literally take that entire china cabinet, I turn it into something completely different. It's got a different look. I'm super excited about it. I've been wanting one for a very long time, so I have that coming, and then I have another video coming to where I am redoing my entire living room. I'm moving things around, I'm moving shelves off my wall. It's gonna have a different look. I'm going for the more farmhouse style look, so I'm super excited about that to come. So if you like videos like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's so many videos that I have made about cleaning and how that I'm going to be making. I'm gonna transform rooms in my house, things like that. I have tons of ideas, so if you like stuff like that.
He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Paint by numbers isn't how I want it to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong, I'm gonna rise and fly and leave the gold between the lines. Whatever you do, what we were, now he's my silver lining. Whenever you call, what you say, you're nothing but a...
I'm excited about today because I just received my Grove Collaborative box in the mail. If you do not know what they are a company that carries products, and they're known for being non-toxic, effective, sustainable, and cruelty-free. You can also personalize your whole order. You can schedule when your shipments are going to come out, and the frequency and the products in each order, they're completely up to you. So you can totally customize it toward what you're going to use, what you need, what your needs are. It's super, super awesome. It comes right to your doorstep. You don't have to go out. You don't have that headache of going out, going shopping, and doing all that stuff. That's what I like. I like the convenience of it. If you're interested in seeing what Grove Collaborative is all about, there is a link in my description box below. If you decide to go ahead and click on my link and order something, let me know in the comments what you order, and when you receive it, let me know how you like it.
Tonight we will fight for the right to stay alive, 'cause you know we live for the music. We are breathing love. And tonight we will fight for the rhythm of our life.
Here I am using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Baking Soda Cream Cleanser. I was excited to try this out. It had so many good reviews on it, and it actually really did do a good job.
We're fighting for our love tonight. We're fighting for our love tonight. We're fighting for our love tonight.
It seemed like I had so many dishes this day. I was like, that I had to hand wash. I was like, oh my gosh, this is taking forever. But we had made chili. We made a bunch of other dinners at home that it needed all kinds of pots and pans apparently.
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts, so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. Turn me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, bring her one of my t-shirts, so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
Now I'm just going to go to the living room. I'm going to pick up a few things here. It's not too bad. I have to leave those chairs in the living room because I'm doing a project in the kitchen. So my house is getting clean, but it's still got everything everywhere because you know how it is whenever you're doing a project. Things are kind of all out of whack. And so that's the phase that we're in now. But I'm just going to go ahead and straighten up here and then give this a really good vacuum really quick and then move on.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
You'll notice that throughout my house, you may have noticed it. I always notice it because obviously I live here, but it seems so, obvious in my videos that my doors on in my house are a different color. So what I'm going to do is I am going to attempt to paint them. I have an idea of what color I want to paint them, and it's going to be like a white, like a chalk white, I guess. I think it'll look really good. Whenever we redid this house, we just had our contractor put the doors on. At the end, we really just wanted to get in here, so we never finished and we never painted them. But that is one of the things that is on my to-do list that's going to happen soon, hopefully. But whenever it does happen, I will I'll make a video on it so you guys can see how it turns out.
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
Thank you guys so much for picking my video to watch today. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already and you want to, please subscribe to my channel. I have a ton more videos coming. I have a lot of stuff happening. I'm redoing my living room. I'm redoing a piece of furniture. So if you like things like that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the little bell so you are notified every single time I upload and you don't miss out on anything. Thank you all so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Traffic lights.